For years, we've been really focused on designing robots that clean the best that they could, but now we wanted to take it a step beyond and clean the way you would.
We want to make your life easier. That's the whole point of what we do.
We designed a new front-facing camera, a wedge detect bumper.
It recognizes when there's obstacles, it avoids them, and keeps on cleaning.
What makes J7 really special is the digital experiences.
And so that really offers a lot of freedom for a user, and I think it's something that's very important and very valuable to our customers.